In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Hostinger Website Builder in just 5 minutes. Creating a website can seem like a daunting task, but with the simplified tools and user-friendly interface that Hostinger offers, it really does become an easy and enjoyable process. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or an online store, Hostinger's Website Builder provides a hassle-free experience. Let's dive in and get your website up and running. First things first, you'll want to bring your idea to life by heading over to the Hostinger website. This is where everything starts. You'll find a modern, sleek interface greeting you. Navigate to their homepage and let's get started on making your dreams a reality. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one. This usually involves the basic steps of entering your email, creating a secure password, and then verifying your information. Remember to always choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After you've logged in, navigate to the Hostinger homepage. This is where you'll find all your hosting and management tools neatly organized. It's your control center and provides a comprehensive overview of all your websites and settings. When you're ready, look for an option labeled Add Website and click on it. This is where you'll be initiating the creation of your new site. Hostinger makes it very straightforward by giving clear, concise options that guide you through the setup process effortlessly. The next step is to select Hostinger Website Builder from the available alternatives. The Website Builder is designed to be intuitive, catering to users of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, the Builder's tools will help you design a website that's not only functional but also visually appealing. By now you should have everything set in motion to get your website live. Whether it's setting up a blog, displaying your portfolio, or launching a business site, you've got all the tools you need at your fingertips. If at any point you find yourself needing help, Hostinger also provides customer support ready to assist you with any questions or challenges you might encounter. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to create your very own website using Hostinger Website Builder. In just a few minutes you can transition from a simple idea to an online presence that's uniquely yours. Happy building, and enjoy bringing your creative visions to life on the web.